So whenever I ask someone what is the career in pharmacy, they just think about one thing. So this is not the career in pharmacy, it is completely wrong. So if you are thinking career as a pharmacy in your life, this video is for you, because in this video we are covering in detail all the courses of pharmacy with their benefits and their average income. So before starting the video, if you are still not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, otherwise I will hit you with a paracetamol, because we are doing hard work, man. We are not just wasting our time in these things. So hit that thing. So starting with the video, to make this video easy and understandable, I am giving a list of courses you can select in the pharmaceutical career. In this video we are going to discuss detail about this. So starting with the most easiest course in the career of pharmacy, that is the diploma in pharmacy. Coming up on the serious note, to join the diploma in pharmacy, you are required to complete your 12th with the subjects of physics, chemistry, maths and biology, where the diploma in pharmacy is a 2-year course. After the completion of the course, you are having a good quality of benefits. The most important benefit in the diploma in pharmacy is you are issued with a license from the State Pharmacy Council. That license can be used to open a pharmacy shop, that is a medical shop. Another benefits coming with the diploma in pharmacy is you can also join in the manufacturing area of the pharmaceutical industry. That means you can also be a part of the manufacturer in the industry. So coming up next is the Bachelor in Pharmacy, also known as the base of the pharmacy, which is the 4 years course which requires as the same as you have to complete your 12th class with the physics, chemistry, maths and biology. After you complete the course, you are having a good number of benefits. The most important benefit of this Bachelor in Pharmacy is you can work in the formulation development department of the industry, that is you can manufacture the tablets and the dosage form, and also you can work in the research and development department of the pharmaceutical industry, that is you can also involve in the research of the new medicines or the dosage form. Coming up to the next benefit of the B Pharmacy is that you can also apply for the government post like the drug inspector, or also you can be a narcotic commissioner if you have completed the B Pharmacy. Some of the benefit of the B Pharmacy is that you will also be issued with the license from the State Pharmacy Council. You can also apply for the manufacturing license, and you can also open a pharmacy shop. And the next course in the pharmacy is the most valuable course because it is in huge demand in the foreign countries, that is a doctorate in pharmacy, also known as PharmD, which is a 6 years course. So when you are completed with the course, you can have the right to prescribe a medicine to a patient that is equal to a doctor, and the requirements to join this course are the same. You have to complete your 12th with the physics, chemistry, maths and biology. After you complete your 12th, you can join this course, study up to 6 years, and you are completed with your degree, and also you are getting a doctor as a prefix before your name. You will be named as Dr. XYZ with your name. Coming with the another benefits of the PharmD, that you can also be involved in the clinical trials and the testing of the new drugs. For example, now corona vaccine is being invented. So if you are a PharmD completed person, you can conduct the first clinical trials of the vaccine preparation. With this course, you can also complete and apply for the MD, that is the specialty in the doctors, and you can also go for patient counseling and the study of the adverse drug reaction of each drug through this course. So coming up, the next is the higher courses of the pharmacy department, which is to be joined after completion of B Pharm and the PharmD. If you are completing with these courses, you can join for the M Pharm, that is Master in Pharmacy, and the PhD. So Master in Pharmacy is the course where you choose a particular department in the B Pharmacy and you do specialty, and that is Masters in the particular department, and then you are getting employed. So in M Pharmacy, the main benefit is that you will be employed in the research and development department of the industry, because the research and development department has a huge scope, and the M pharmacists are specialized in a particular department, so they can and after completion of the M Pharm, you can also go for the PhD, which is the most superior course of the pharmaceutical career, where if you are completing with the PhD, you can be a faculty also, and you can be the head of the particular department. And if you are completing the PhD, you can also conduct the third stage of the clinical trials of the drug or vaccine preparation, that is the corona vaccine also. So further continuing with the video, let's have a look at the average income of these all courses. After seeing this video, you will also be getting that a pharmacist also for corona warrior, because he is the only person who will be sitting in the medical shop for the 24 hours. He is the only person who will be manufacturing the medicine which are used for the treatment of coronavirus, and he is the only person who will be with the doctors in the hospital at the crucial time of the coronavirus to help for the prescription, and he is the only person who is involved in the third stage of the clinical trials of the preparation of coronavirus vaccine. So respect them.